Hi friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome to my channel, everyone. It's so great to see you today. I hope you're having a good day today. Well, I'm excited because I placed another order with TJMaxx for some stuff for the house that will be going into my new house and for getting this house prepared, for the sale of the house when we get our bathroom completely repainted. We did have a painter come by today, and he's gonna give us a quote on doing some painting. But anyways, I've got this nice big box here from TJMaxx. It's pretty much all a raedunn haul. I'm excited, beyond excited to open it up and show you what I've got. So we should probably get started. I don't remember how much stuff's in here. It's a pretty big box. Let me point you down. See, look at my box. I'm excited. Anywho, I'm gonna have to open it up. I just wanted to kind of do a whole unboxing rather than, pulling it all out, I just thought we'd unbox together because I'm excited to see what's in here. I can't remember exactly what I ordered. I do want to say though, it came really quickly. So I'm super happy about that. Anyways, let's see if I can get it undone. It does have a sticker on here that says fragile, fragile, fragile. Hopefully nothing is broken. I'm kind of concerned about that, but they do usually pack pretty well from what I understand. Yes, everything's in individual boxes. And I'm hoping this is everything. So let me look. There's 5 things in here. So I don't know if this is everything. I may still have something else coming, but we'll see. This looks like it might be everything. All right, let's see. Let me get this one first. All right, so I've got a box. It looks like this. Let's see, where's the best place to open this? It doesn't sound broken, so that's a good thing, right? I don't want anything to be broke. Like I say, I think I told you a while back I wanted to update my desk, when we put it back into the study. So I did order some stuff for the desk. I showed you already in one of my hauls oh, this is not what I thought it was. I thought this was maybe a desk piece, but it's not a desk piece. Now, how am I gonna get this out of here without getting out? There's like styrofoam everywhere here, and I don't want it like all over my carpet because it sticks, it sticks like crazy. So let me see what I've got in here. Oh goodness, it's gonna be hard to get out. Let me see if I can pull it this way without breaking all the styrofoam. I don't want the styrofoam all over my carpet here. It's kind of hard to get open. Goodness gracious. Well, let me move that out of the way a little. I'm getting myself hot just trying to open this up. Here, I'm gonna have to put the box like this. Okay. All right. Okay, here's this first thing. I got this raedunn. Let me get some of this stuff off of it. You're gonna see it in a second. I got this raedunn black snack canister. And it's a skinny canister. I haven't seen this in the stores, personally. Although my store, I think it gets picked over so quick. But isn't that nice? Snack. I just want this stuff for decor, pretty much. But it's a black all the way through, has the seal on here if you really want to put snacks in there. It's just, in general, I just love it because I like the black, I did buy that black birdhouse here recently, and I do love it. I don't have it out yet. I was holding on to that maybe till the new house or whatever I'm going to be doing in the bathroom when I get when it gets painted and it looks all nice and stuff for selling. I do want to decorate in there a little bit, but this is not for that. But I just thought this was super cute, and I don't think it was very expensive. And of course I don't have my glasses with me. Raedunn color black, $14.99. This was $14.99. It's not bad. I love that. I love that black, that pop of white on it. So cute. Anyway, so I got that snack, and of course I have to thank my sister because I had a gift card for my birthday that she got for me from TJMaxx. Oh my God, there's a lot. I'll have to put this stuff back in the boxes when I'm done. Oh my God, I've got pieces of, okay, this is probably fruitless. I'm gonna have, I'm gonna have all this styrofoam all over me. Oh goodness, yeah, because it's all over my clothes and on my skin. All right, let's see, what's this one? Ooh, God, it's heavy. All right, let's open this one. It's got, I'm sure, styrofoam on it too. But one of these is something desky, I think. I kind of can't remember exactly what I ordered, so we'll see. Maybe this is the desky thing I'm thinking of. Okay, this has styrofoam in it too, so I'm hoping this is not going to make a huge mess like the other one did, but I have a feeling it is going to. I don't know if this... Oh, yep, I just broke it. All right, this is not going to be easy. Styrofoam, styrofoam. So anyways, are y'all having a good day today? I hope so. I had to run. Oh, let me tell you, I ran over to Walmart today I've been working in the kitchen. And let me tell you, this worked out pretty good. Just a little something that I'm doing. We have tile, you can see it here, throughout this area, and it's in the kitchen in the family room. Well, the grout gets dirty. You know how, it gets dirty, your grout gets dirty. Well, you can definitely tell where some of it's dirty and some of it's not. So I've been cleaning. I started it yesterday, and I looked it up on Google or something. And a girl said what she did was just used it. Well, it happened to be a video. But she used baking soda. And all she did was basically spray the area with water and then put the baking soda on top of it and let it sit for 15 minutes. And then used a brush to scrub it. What a difference that made, y'all. It worked like a charm on my grout. Made it the color it used to be, which is kind of a light tan, or almost, not really white, but it looks good. It made the tile look like it was cleaner. It was crazy. Anyways, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get this out. So let me see. I'm gonna do it over the top of this box so I don't get all the styrofoam on me. Okay. Because the styrofoam is a mess. Let me put that there. And then I think I can lift this up. Oh, yep, this is what I was hoping it was. Hang on, I gotta turn it to get it off the styrofoam. I'm excited about this. Now it's all in plastic, but I got one of these that says pencils, markers, and pens. I'm excited. This is gonna look so nice on the desk when I get, when it's clean, and I can put, because I do a planner. I have markers that I use sometimes, different colored markers for the different months, and like for spring, I'm using this kind of a bluey one right now in my planner, so I can have my markers in one, pencils and stuff in another. That's pens, but I thought this was gonna look so nice to keep things kind of separated, and that way I could get my markers out, because right now I just have them sitting in a box. But isn't this nice? I love this. And I mean, if you wanted to, you could also just use your tray separately for something else, because I think actually the tray I'm using in the kitchen, I want to say it had something in it, and I've been using the tray and the other thing's set somewhere else. But isn't this nice? And this is not going to have a text. Okay, let me look at this and see what it says, because it doesn't have a thing. Stationary raedunn. $16.99, I think, or $19.99. Oh, that's $10. What's that say? I'm blind. $19.99. So this was $19.99, but I think it's worth it. This thing is heavy, and I think it's going to look great sitting on the desk. Because I did pick up that letter thing too, and of course, I told you my desk is black, so I just know this is gonna look nice on there. So I'm so glad I was able to get this. So thank you, Kelly. That's my sister. She's the one that gave me the gift card. So I'm gonna enjoy that. I'm gonna love that, actually. It's gonna look fabulous I think, on the desk when we get it, you know, when we get this room painted and stuff. So I don't know if he's, the painter's gonna do my husband's man room or not, because it needs to be repainted. Totally. Okay, let's see. Got another box here, and you know, now I don't really know what it is. I knew I bought, you know, I knew I wanted some desk stuff. Here's another box. Of course, there's styrofoam everywhere. Where's my little, oh my gosh, I wish you could see my legs. They're covered in styrofoam. Oh my gosh, and my shirt too. What a mess. What a mess. Okay, let me get this box uncut so we can take a look-see at what's in here. No, I don't remember what this is. It's white. Let me see if I can get it out of here. Hang on. Oh, now I remember. It's this farm fresh, like milk jug, or, you know, like just like a jug. Well, kind of like, I don't know how you describe it, but it says farm fresh on it. I have not seen these in the stores at all. They have these two little, like, that kind of little things on the side. It's black up here around the rim. Won't this look beautiful with flowers in it? I think it would look great with some, well, sunflowers in it, any kind of flowers any time of year. So I guess it's like a vase or, you know, whatever. But isn't that cool? I love this. This I have not seen anywhere in the stores. And this was Farm Fresh Vase. Yeah, $16.99. Isn't that cute? I was so glad I found this, you know, because this will look adorable, you know, somewhere. And with flowers in it. Yes, I just love this. I think they had other ones that said, there were like two other ones that said something different on them that I saw on the website. So y'all check out the website. So let me set this, where can I put this? Over here somewhere. I am gonna have to put all these back in the box, so I kind of have to figure out what boxes they were in. All right, this is a smaller box. Are you liking these finds? And these are all from TJMaxx online. I bought it online. Yeah, that's exciting, isn't it? Okay, what did I do with my thing? Okay, let's get this one open too. So far we've got the, well, we'll do a review when I'm done. Now let's see what this is. Oh, this is taped. Oh, I think I did not get something I ordered. I didn't. I don't think it came. Let me get the tape cut. I got a tissue cover box. Let me get this off here. I got this tissue. I thought this would look nice in the bathroom because once we, you know, because I got something else for the bathroom too, but I thought this would look nice sitting on the counter rather than my tissue box that I normally have. And I think it'll look good in there once we get everything done that we're doing in there, get it painted, and the cabinets are all going to be painted too and stuff. I think this will look really nice. This is heavy. Heavy, heavy. Let me see how much this tissue box was. I don't know if it tells me on here. That must be the first one, and it's hard to read that. I think it was $14.99. But isn't that gonna look good? And put your tissues in there. And see, then when I get to the new house, I can put it, you know, either in our master bathroom, or, you know, it can go in the guest bathroom. Of course, we haven't designed the house yet. We're going to start that we're going to meet with the builder this weekend. So I'm excited, but isn't that nice? This is heavy. Heavy, heavy. I'm just going to stick that back. Well, stick that in the box for now. Okay, so I know there's one thing else I ordered that I didn't get. And ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. Let's see, it's all tied up. Hang on a second. I'll show you this in a second. I gotta get it out of the plastic. This is a nice thing. I like it. I think it'll look great somewhere in my new house. I'm excited to decorate it. Excited, excited. Okay, let me get it where I can hold it up and show you. I got this Home Sweet Home shelf. Isn't this nice? I love it. And it's good size. It's very good. Look how big it is. And it's all metal and wood. And, you know, it will look cute with a plant on there, or, you know, I mean, just anywhere in the house, whatever I might want to decorate it with. And so I'm excited about it. Here, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. I may end up putting this like on the wall in the bathroom once we've got everything painted, to decorate in there a little bit with, I've got that other picture that has the cotton on it that I could hang above it and just have some cute stuff sitting here that would be nice, you know, for when we're selling the house. I don't know. I'll have to ask my realtor, you know, if that would be something good to have up there. But anyways, I love this. This shelf thing, let me see if it, wall shelf, $15 or $18. I can't tell if it's an 8 or a 5. Anyways, isn't that cute? I love that. Anyway, so that's what came in the box. So I know there's one thing missing, at least one thing missing that I ordered that did not come. But I don't recall what it was, to tell you the truth. So I'll have to go look up through my email and see what it was. But don't you love this too? I do love that. Personally, I love it. Let's stick it back in the plastic so I can put it back in the box. Anyway, so that's my little haul from TJMaxx. I tell y'all, you need to shop online. You can definitely find more. I mean, obviously this raedunn I found online. I looked in the store because I think I've seen it there before, like especially that pencil pen thing. I think I've seen that at this store. But of course not when I'm really looking for it, you know. But anyways, that's everything from TJMaxx. I'm excited. I love this Farm Fresh, this vase. And like I said, they had other ones that had something else on them, but I don't remember what it was. And then the pencil pen, I think it's gonna look great on the desk, because I also have that letter thing. I can make it all clean and pretty looking on my black desk. And so that's the plan. Anyways, again, I need to thank my sister for her gift card. And that's it for today on this video. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. I think when you see this, it'll actually be next week, because I've got videos coming, already scheduled this week. So this is a next week video. So you'll probably see this probably next Wednesday. So anyways, love you so much, everybody. Thank you for all the kind comments on all my videos. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me that you're here and that you enjoy the content I put out. So thank you. Love you. Pieces. Talk to you soon. Bye.